Siyuan versus Obsidian. Let's get started. So first, Siyuan is a privacy-first open-source note-taking and knowledge management app. It's a block-based outliner with built-in database support, local-first storage data, and markdown-based editing. And Obsidian is a popular markdown-based note-taking app built around linking plain text files in a local knowledge graph. It's extensible with plugins and ideal for Zettel, Skastens, second brain workflows, and personalized knowledge management. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. So first is C1's pros. It offers block-based notes. It also has a built-in database views and offline local storage. It also has integrated whiteboards and diagrams, which is what you can see here. And lastly, it also has a cross-platform. Now for its cons though, it requires a steep learning curve, and the UI is less polished, and it has a limited ecosystem. Next we have is Obsidian and its pros. So it offers a mature plugin ecosystem, a flexible markdown, a graph view and linking, an active community, and it is free for personal use. Now its downside though, it relies on the plugins, and it has no native block reference, and the sync is not free. So in conclusion, choose CO1 if you want a Notion-style block outliner, fully local and privacy first, with built-in databases and visuals. And go with Obsidian if you want a clean markdown editing, a massive plugin ecosystem, and a smoother knowledge management experience that grows with your workflow.